Hi there, students. To resonate as a verb, resonance as the noun, and resonant as the adjective. And yeah, you could have an adverb resonantly. Okay, to resonate, this is talking about the physics of sound. If something sounds and then something else vibrates in response to that sound, that is to resonate. So the pictures on the wall resonated when the guy upstairs played his loud music. Okay, so to vibrate in response to another sound. The windows resonated as the aeroplane took off a mile away. And then we can use this metaphorically, meaning to have an effect or an influence on something, to engender. To resonate with someone. So the words that in his speech resonated with the crowd. They had an impact on the crowd. They got support because it felt right to them. Okay, so to resonate, to evoke a shared feeling, a shared emotion, a shared belief. The sound of the beat resonated with the primal feelings of the people. Also, to resonate, to correspond closely to be in harmony or very close to. So the decoration in the room resonated with his character. It echoed his character, if you like. Yes, the politicians are always trying to propose ideas in a way that resonate with voters. Yeah, or we could also use resonate with, to be filled with, to be fooled with. So the words in the poem resonated with fear and loathing. Okay, they were they were filled with. Yeah, so to resonate, to resound, as in one sound brings on another. And then something that you say or something that you see resonates. It evokes a feeling from someone, or something. It creates a response. Okay. The smile on his face resonated with how I was feeling. So to reverberate, to echo, yes, to evoke, yeah, to bring something out. The way he dressed resonated with his personality as a pure gentleman. Okay, he had a deep, resonant voice, strong and deep in tone. Yeah. This statue is resonant of the past glories of our nation. It reminds us strongly. Yeah. So yes, resonant, coming from, causing something else, echoing, both in sounds as in feeling. This area is resonant with history. It's it's intensely significant. Okay, so to resonate, to fill with sound by vibrating. His resonant voice echoed within the empty room. The sound of the gong resonated throughout the building. Yeah, it rebounded. This picture resonates with emotion. Okay, it has a powerful effect. The story that he told resonated with the life experience of many of the people present. Yeah, an experience or a memory resonates. Yeah, so somebody tells you a story or an experience, and it makes you think of another similar one that you had or that you heard in the past or you experienced. His story resonates with me. Okay, so to produce a clear continuing sound, the sound resonated through the room, or an object can resonate with the sound waves, yeah, that make it seem louder and make the thing vibrate. Okay, so to resonate, to be fooled with a deep reverberating sound. The siren resonated throughout the city. To resonate, to bring forward images or memories or emotion. The words in the poem resonate with so many different emotions. Okay, they bring them forward. The words are resonant of things from the past. Okay, so this is the idea of to resonate. If something resonates, it produces a deep, strong sound. The bass guitar resonated throughout the room. It reverberated, it vibrated. And you can say something resonates, it has a special meaning which is important to you. So yes, Paris is a city that resonates with art and culture, for example. Okay, so to resonate, formality. I think to resonate. This resonates with me. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. Use it anywhere. A regular verb. This is resonant of. This is getting a bit more literary. 6.5. I probably wouldn't use it in an informal conversation, but anywhere else. Resonance. It has this resonance. I'll probably go 6.5. So all of this group are on the edge of using in an informal conversation. I think I would use the verb informally, but no more. And then as to origin, well, these all these words come from Latin, from re, again, back, and sono, to make a noise, to make a sound. So, resonate. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Resonate, resonant, resonant.